Why cheer for a bunch of rusty water coming out of the back of an old boat? Well, it's because that's the first time this boat has started in 9 years. This is my 1987 Ski Supreme. I bought it in 2006 when I was in grad school in New Hampshire. I had it there for 5 great years, and then I moved to Utah. I initially had left it at my brother's house and thought he might get some great use out of it, but he refused. So then I had to trail it out here to Utah, where it sat for another 5 years, where life and kids and a mortgage all got in the way of boat time. Now, we're in a great spot to get this thing rolling. That's me, a stay-at-home dad who likes to wear tank tops and loves boating. That's Nate. He's my cousin, and he's as close to an expert in all things mechanical as I know here in Utah. At this point, you're probably thinking, drop that bad boy in the water and let her rip. Well, it's not quite that simple. The previous owners did some repair work on it that I had known about, but I assumed they did a really good job. You see that hole right there? Well, that's one of almost a dozen holes that goes up the driver's side after I pulled the carpet up. And if you stick your finger deep in that hole, well, that foam is still wet. So I think at this point I'm going to have to rip this whole floor up, rip all that old foam up, and replace it. Am I an expert in boat repair? No. Have I done boat repair in the past? No. But is this going to come out awesome? You better believe it. I've been watching a lot of YouTube to get ready for this project, and I decided to document my own project. Now, I'm no expert, so if you're here looking for how to do things the right way, you're in the wrong place. If you do want to see how many hours it takes to get a project like this done, and see all the work that goes into it, sped up so I'm running around like a little ant, then you are in the right place.